Is going solar in NYC worth it? Look, New York is an expensive city. From your property taxes to your bacon, egg, and cheese. One source of stress for locals is the rising cost of energy. In fact, Con Ed, New York's main energy supplier, is proposing a rate increase of 11.4% for gas and 13.3% for electric starting in early 2026. That means the average New Yorker will pay over $300 a month just to keep the lights on. That's why we get it when locals come up to us and say, hey, how much do solar panels cost really? And what about all those tax credits? And how much can I save on my monthly utility bill? Today, we're answering the #1 question people ask us when they're thinking about going solar. Stick around to find out. What factors affect the cost of your solar system? The first thing that you need to know is that the cost of installing solar panels on your home depends on 3 things. #1, your average electricity usage. As an example, if you work from home or run your air conditioner 24/7, you'll use more electricity than someone who's away from home for longer periods. #2, how much sun your home gets. Yes, New York City gets enough sun for solar panels. We get 234 days of sun per year, but the direction your home faces and whether or not your home is shaded by trees or buildings impacts how effective your system will be. #3, the size and type of the system that you choose. Your solar installer will help you select the best system for your needs. Sounds simple, but some people get sticker shock when they find out what the cost of installing a solar system might be. Here in New York City, for example, the cost of installing a typical 9-kilowatt solar panel system on a single family home is about $2,440 higher than the US average, according to CNET. The good news is that homeowners are not responsible for the full price of the solar panel system. What solar panel system tax credits are available to New Yorkers? When you factor in state and city incentives, you can save a hefty amount towards the cost of your system. That means that a $50,000 system could end up costing around $7,500 for qualified homeowners. Keep in mind that that's the net cost after you qualify for all eligible tax credits. There are 3, and soon to be 2, main tax credits for New York City residents. First, the Residential Solar Energy Tax Credit is a credit that can be claimed on your federal income taxes for a percentage of the cost of your solar system. The federal solar tax credit for qualifying New York buyers is currently 30% towards the cost of your solar system. But beware, this 30% tax credit now expires at the end of 2025. Install and activate your system before the end of 2025 to qualify for this credit. Second, the tax credits for qualifying buyers in New York State include the Solar Energy System Equipment Credit. This credit is equal to 25% of your system equipment cost and is limited to $5,000 that can be claimed under New York State income tax. Additionally, for the third credit, New Yorkers qualify for a New York City property tax abatement. This is known as the Solar Electric Generating System Tax Abatement. Yeah, it's a bit of a mouthful. Currently, the abatement is equal to 30% of the solar panel installation cost, up to a maximum of $250,000. This is deducted from your property tax in equal increments over 4 years. And the good news is, once your system is installed, you start saving immediately on your energy bills. Not bad, eh? Now you might be able to afford that bacon, egg, and cheese. How much can I save on my energy bill by going solar? So let's talk about your current energy bill. Most New Yorkers get their electricity from Con Edison. Even once you've made the switch to solar, Con Ed maintains the infrastructure that delivers power to your home and charges you for the power you may use on cloudy days. According to the Alliance for a Green Economy, the average Con Ed customer is already paying about $50 more than they were in 2022. With those price hikes that could be coming in early 2026 that we talked about earlier, those bills could top more than $300. Yikes. With solar, you can say goodbye to yearly price increases and hello to hundreds of dollars of savings off your monthly utility bill. Once your solar panels are up and running, you may even see negative usage thanks to New York's net metering system. Would you like to learn more about net metering? Let me know in the comments. Either way, with a solar panel system, you're in charge of your energy use and your energy bills. The bottom line is, if you're a homeowner in New York City, having solar panels can save you money on your energy bill, thanks to generous tax credits available to homeowners, coupled with increased savings on your energy bills. Are solar panels worth it? We 100% think so. Do you? Let me know in the comments.